identity constant and equal functions. See, here we are going to discuss about the identity function, constant and as well as equal functions under the advanced level. So, first of all, we are going to discuss about the identity function. Generally, it is denoted by means of I of a. If a function f is from a into a, is said to be an identity function if f of x is equals to x, whereas x is an element which belongs to the a. So, here first of all we are going to discuss about the first one, which is the identity function. So, here, so in this case, a function f which is from a into a is called or is said to be an identity or identity function on a if and only if f of x is equals to x. Here, whereas x for all x belongs to a, this notation indicates for all, that is x belongs to a, that is set a. So, here, or in other words, the function f which is from capital X into capital X, x into x, say here whose elements, that is the elements of the set that is f are only the ordered pairs. That is x comma x is said to be an identity function, whereas here, whereas small x is an element which belongs to this capital X, whereas small x belongs to the capital X. Then now, so this is the first one. Then now we are going to the second one, which is nothing but the constant function. So second one is of constant function. So constant function is a function that is f from a into b. If there is an element such as c, small c, which belongs to the second set, that is b, then f of x must be equals to that particular c, then such a function is said to be called as a constant function. So here a function, let us assume the function as f which is from a into b, whereas the domain are of a, the elements of the domain are of a set, then the codomain are of b, then the range will be of f of a equals to b. Then now here, if it is a function, so say a is a function f from a into b is said to be a constant one, that is a constant function if there is a element. So if there is an element such as C which is belonging to this second set, that is B, then so f of x must be equal to that particular C. So here for all that x must be belonging to this first set, that is A. So then only such a function is said to be called as a constant function. But here we can note one condition, that is, say in case of a constant function the range will be of a single set. So in a constant function the range of the function is a singleton set. It will be of singleton, that is consisting only one element in it. Then now let us illustrate by means of one example. So here is an illustration. In our illustration, so here we are going to take two sets, that is first set consisting the elements, that is A, B, C and D. There are of 4 elements, and whereas the second set elements are of x, y and z. The function is of f which is from A into B. So here we can write it as, so f is a function from A into B. So here the relations are of A to x, B to x, C to x and D to x. Then the function is given by means of, by the relation set consisting the ordered pairs A comma x as the first ordered pair, B comma x as the second ordered pair, C comma x as the third ordered pair, D comma x as the fourth ordered pair. Then now we have the function is denoted by means of, is defined by means of f, which is given by means of the ordered pairs, that is A comma x, B also related with the x. So here C, the element of the set A is also related with the same element, that is x, and the element that is D is also related with the same element, that is x in the B. So here in this case the image of A is of x, that is f of A is of x in the first order pair, and the second order pair f of B is equals to the same x. Similarly, the image of this C is of also the same, that is x, and the image of that is D is also of the same x. So here on the whole, so here we are getting the same constant, I say here, that is in case of the first order pair we are getting the x, then second order pair f of B image is of x, then it is similar and so on, it is of constant. Therefore f is said to be called as a constant function. So here hence f, the given function, is a constant one. Then now let us go for the third one.